Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. I hope you're doing fantastic and it's always a pleasure to have you here. Okay, I'm going to get this out right from the beginning. If you like the content, please click thumbs up, please click subscribe and leave us a comment. We're always interested in what you're thinking. Today, I'll be taking us on a tour of a just listed single-story townhouse in Chandler, Arizona. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the unique features of this townhouse is that each bedroom has its own bathroom, so you actually have 2 master suites.
Oh my God, that's perfect.
My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team here in the Valley of the Sun, and we would be happy, actually honored to assist with all of your real estate needs, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, perhaps it's time to upsize or downsize. But without further ado, let's take the tour of this Chandler townhouse, which I know you'll enjoy. I had to pop back in and tell you a couple awesome amenities about this Chandler townhouse. It has vaulted ceilings, wood plank floors, a fireplace, outside private backyard with covered patio, and you're a short walk from the beautiful community pool. You know, Chandler, Arizona is one of the most popular cities in the Valley of the Sun. Make sure you check it out. Okay, enjoy the rest of this video. Take care. God bless America. Stay safe out there.